This is step-by-step 2-point perspective. We're going to be drawing 2 boxes above the horizon line, 2 boxes on the horizon line, and 2 boxes below the horizon line. The first step is to place your paper horizontally. It's also called landscape or hamburger way. It's the long, wide way of putting your paper. Across the center of the page, you're going to lay your ruler and you're going to draw a horizon line. You want this to be level and parallel to the top and bottom of the page. This is also known as where the sky meets the ground when you're looking outside, and it is your eye level. On the far right side of the page, you're going to put one vanishing point. On the far left side of the page, you're going to be putting the other vanishing point. And we're ready to begin our first box. We start with the corner of the box. So we are going to draw a vertical line. You want to make sure this line doesn't slant, that it's truly vertical and that it is parallel to the vertical sides of your paper. Line up the top of that vertical line with the left vanishing point and draw that line. Line your ruler up to the top of the vertical line and the right vanishing point and draw that line. Line up the bottom of the vertical line to the left vanishing point and draw that line. Line up the bottom of the this vertical line to the right vanishing point and draw that line. These would be the sides of the box. If we left them like this, the box would go off into infinity in both directions. And so we need to end this box sides with 2 vertical lines. We're going to put a vertical line on the left-hand side. And then we're going to put a vertical line on the right-hand side. The key is to make sure these are vertical, parallel to the edge of your page, and that they do not slant. We're going to create the bottom of this box. Take the bottom of that vertical line that you just drew and line it up to the left vanishing point. Then line up the bottom of the vertical line on the left-hand side and line it up to the right vanishing point. And you have created your first box. All that's left to do is to erase the extra lines. And you have your first box in 2-point perspective. We're going to follow that same process to draw a second box above the horizon line. Draw a vertical line, top to the vanishing point on the left, then the right, the bottom to the left, then the bottom to the right, end with vertical lines on the left side, and then a vertical line on the right side. The bottom of that vertical line goes to the right, and then the bottom of the one on the right side goes to the left, and then you erase the extra lines. 2 of your boxes are completed. You have 2 boxes over the horizon line. We're going to do that same process down below the horizon line. So these are boxes that are floating up in the air. Now we're going to have 2 boxes that are sitting on the ground. We'll start with the corner of the box again and draw a vertical line. The top of that vertical line goes to the vanishing point on the right. Then the top of that vertical line goes to the vanishing point on the left. Then the bottom of that vertical line goes to the vanishing point on the left. And the bottom of that vertical line goes to the vanishing point on the right. We have that long box that goes to infinity again. So we are going to draw 2 lines, 2 vertical lines on each side of the center to end that box again. So we have a vertical line on the left. And now we're going to do a vertical line on the right. Again, make sure this ruler is parallel to the sides of your page. The next is to create the top of the box. So we line up the top of the line to the vanishing point on the left. Then we line up the top of the line on the left-hand side to the vanishing point on the right. And then we erase the extra lines. And we have a box on that's completed and below the horizon line. You can see the top and the two sides, and the ones above, you can see the two sides and the bottom. We're going to repeat that process with another box. So we've drawn a vertical line, taking the top to each of the vanishing points, then the bottom to each of the vanishing points, end with a vertical line on the left, end with a vertical line on the right. Take the right side, the top of the right side, to the left vanishing point. Take the top of the left side to the right vanishing point, and then erase. We're ready for the boxes that are on the horizon line. So this time I'm going to draw a line that crosses the horizon line. It touches the horizon line, and I'm going to have the horizon lines actually going to go through the center of it. That's still the corner of the box, but this one is now at your eye level. I will take the top of that box, to that corner, to the vanishing point on the left, and then to the vanishing point on the right. Then the bottom goes to the vanishing point on the left, and the bottom goes to the vanishing point on the right. This time the sides go off to infinity, but it kind of looks like a stretched out kite. So we have to end them again. So we're going to end each side with a vertical line. So I have a vertical line on the left and a vertical line on the right. Since this box is at eye level, we're not going to see the top or the bottom of the box. So this box is actually finished after we erase. We're going to make sure the box isn't see-through, so we're erasing part of the horizon line that shows through that box. Then the extra lines, and there now we have a box that's on the horizon line. We're going to repeat that process for a second box. Draw a vertical line, top to the vanishing point on the right, then on the left. Notice how the line is still lined up to the vanishing point, even though if I had continued drawing it, it would have gone through the other box. So I just drew the line so far and then kept my ruler laid there and drew the rest of the line. I'm going to do the same thing with the bottom and on both sides. And then just a vertical line on the left-hand side and a vertical line on the right-hand side. And that box is done too. So now you have two boxes above the horizon line, two boxes on the horizon line, two boxes below the horizon line. The horizon line is labeled. There it is labeled in the center. Vanishing point is labeled, and the other vanishing point is labeled.